Go home happy with the 2024 Land Rover Discovery. Enjoy a view of this premium Land Rover Discover, the large luxury SUV that elevates every adventure with go-anywhere capability, advanced connectivity, robust safety features, and family-friendly 3-row seating. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio. Seize the moment and drive this outstanding Discovery. Come in for a road test. Our team will make it the best part of your day.